Tuesday's precise and important news. 150 projects to be implemented next year, says Kabul municipality. Officials of Kabul municipality said that in the next year, they will implement 150 projects worth over 5 billion Afghanis in different parts of Kabul city. Another aircraft has been repaired by the Afghan Air Force as a result of the continuous efforts of the teams of engineers and technicians at Ministry of Defense. A Russian aircraft type AN-32B has been repaired and test flight was successfully carried out. ANSA returns imported fuel to Iran due to quality issues. 9 fuel tankers carrying low-quality diesel were refused entry into Afghanistan and turned back to Iran by the Afghanistan National Standards Authority. Police District 15th official rescued a businessman from the clutches of kidnappers. Kabul Police Headquarters says that the security forces of 15th District rescued a businessman from the clutches of kidnappers and arrested 4 people in connection with it. For the first time, Afghanistan's exports have reached about $2 billion. Ministry of Industry and Trade says that for the first time, Afghanistan's exports have reached about $2 billion this year, which shows an increase of 135% compared to 1400 solar year and 166% compared to 1399 solar year. Poppy cultivation destroyed in Laghman and Uruzgan provinces. Poppy farm destroyed in Laghman and Uruzgan provinces. The counter-narcotics police eradicted over 28 acres of land from poppy cultivation in Alishang district of Laghman province, and another acre of land has been eradicted from poppy cultivation in Charchinao of Uruzgan.